Mates, there's idiots everywhere. But today, idiots in cars.
Hello!
I'm going to be honest, I have seen this one, but... off with your blue bins. Are you just properly... Was there even anything in those bins?
Water.
Why is there water in the bin? This is some fancy Oh, no. Oh!
That's gone. And the wall is gone. And so the
and the bin! What is it with the bins? Do people hate bins that much? We've got a train track. This is filmed...
Nice wipers.
This is filmed on a Nokia 360. I don't even know what they call the bin. What is it with bin men? Bins. 350Z. Doing 350Z things. Look at that. He's fine. Reverse. Is he on his phone? I think he's...
I don't know, is he?
Is he gonna just drive off?
Next, we're gonna go park again.
Big crossing, running the red, going straight. What are you doing? Why, may I ask? And another one we can't show. It's more Russia. Russia. I've said it before.
What are the odds?
What are the odds? The odds that Russia ain't a real bad place. And he's...
No,
what are you doing? What is he doing?
Skidding, that's what
What is he doing? What a pillock! YouTube, you heard him. You heard he's okay. He's fine. He's just stupid.
That doesn't mean he's fine. He's stupid.
It doesn't mean it's not
orange.
Aren't you glad that this guy is an idiot? He's gonna smash the. Oh!
Could be worse.
Could be worse, mate. That thing is ruined.
Oh no.
Oh, he's gonna hit the tram. Oh, for God's sake.
No, the tram's gonna hit him.
It's his fault. When I say that, I meant that the tram is not to blame. The tram do good. We've actually gone to the Russian side of... Oh, no. Is he just going to go... He's like, that's the boss's car. Leg it. Please don't be another crash, because we'll have to remove it. Please do it.
Oh, you're lucky, son. For now.
Thank you.
Oh, another train.
Another... It's a tram, all right?
Tram,
we're going to twist it.
Same purpose.
Oh, my God. What are you doing? Go behind it. Why can you not just wait and go behind it?
The look of shock.
The look of shock. The look of nothing. There's just nothing on her face.
And there's a hand.
What's the music playing in this one?
I don't know. Carl's coming in. Is that a pizza shop?
I thought it was a drive-through.
That was Poe, my man.
That was an incredible joke. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh God, it's snowing. Ah!
All safe. Are they not? They're safe.
Hotel!
It's like Frogger, but you can't see. What's he gonna do? What did he hit?
The automatic! Oh, it's gone!
I hope you got that on sale. They've definitely got to buy a new one after that. Okay, good. Use of the brakes.
There goes all the cardboard.
Is that cardboard? Why?
Yes.
Why? Oh, for crying out loud. Yes. Banging out in my Tesla. What are you doing? Hitting cars. Hitting cars. Has the airbag gone off? The airbag has gone off. Oh, what a bit. What is that? That's beautiful.
The bus, son.
Not the bus. Oh. Nope.
Ow.
What's the beep?
That.
It's fine. There was a cushion in the tire. It's rubber. We should just call these try not to get demonetized. Guys, seriously, every one of these I've posted in the last like few months have been demonetized. Look. Demonetized. And the other one. Demonetized.
Do you still get paid for it at least?
You get less, okay, but this is idiots in cars. Try not to get demonetized. Let's go. This is going to be good. This is going to be fine.
No, is it?
Try not to get demonetized. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the game. No problems. Nothing happened. Let me explain what happened in graphic detail. As you can see, he clearly just passed and nothing happened. No problem.
As I heard someone screaming.
No, there's nothing there, my man. There's nothing there. No problems here. Just a bit of snow. Should have snow tires because, you know, it seems to snow a lot in Russia, but we're used to it. So snow tires. Everyone's properly grippy. There's no problems here. There's literally nothing going to happen here. All that happened is they got out and they shook hands and they moved on. I'm gonna go park my SUV. Hello, how are you? I'm under the water.
3 hours needs to be under the water, son.
What?
Theo's curly hair. Ah!
I want to park in the building. Yes. Where are you going? I don't like your body language. It's a car. Nothing happened. Nothing to see. Here we go. Roundabout.
Crash into the buses, maybe? Oh,
Horizon,
no!
Forza Horizon, baby, let's go! Oh, he's being chased by the police, that's why. I thought that was a little shortcut. Yeah. Yeah. Me and Need for Speed, baby. Oh, God, it's the trams again. Can we stop getting hit by trams?
What if there's no one in that car? What if it's just parked?
It is. It's just parked, YouTube. It's not a problem. Truckman, he's falling asleep. No, he's not. He's playing Forza Horizon. He's playing Forza Horizon.
Maybe he would have fallen asleep.
Shh, that's secret code. He's fine, no problem. Bit of snow delivery. Oh Christ.
Oh no.
Oh Christ. I think he's lost his job.
It could have been the window.
He's lost his job. That's a nice Jeep. Oh, I like that.
You can't keep it in.
We're just gonna pretend nothing. Just zoom in on the Jeep. There's just nothing happened.
Oh.
Hold on, what's going on here? That's the police. That's the police.
That's silver car, isn't it?
I think all these are, just not this one. He says stop ramming the police cars and exit the car slowly. Lads, you really could have done a better job.
Why did they just pull him out?
That's the cops in Most Wanted 2012. Off he goes. And they just casually waddle back to their cars.
That is horrible. You can't say that.
Hold up. I don't care what's happening here. Okay, look, the Tesla is the focus. He's missed his turn. This is an LFA. The driver's in an LFA. Oh my. This is my dream. My absolute dream. I know, I'd have to sell my house, but... What the...
He's in the mall, son.
They've driven through, they're like...
Oh no.
Maybe they've got a blue badge, my man. Maybe they've got a blue badge, which means they can park basically anywhere. We've seen this clip, but I didn't see the clip of them driving in. Why does that truck look so... We're going to ignore the previous... I want to know what happened to that truck. I don't quite understand. Why is it still driving?
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Make sure to reminder that I'll be going live at the IFA on September 6th with Forza Horizon 5 on the brand new LG OLED Flex. Then afterwards, we're going to be answering some questions over on the LG OLED Gaming Discord, which can be found right here. This is the United Queendom. Look at our beautiful license plates. They're so ugly. What the f*** are you doing? What in the Jesus? Oh, a bit of... He's gonna have... He's having a word. Okay, so you're using your phone outside the... Well, that's just fully blurred. That's just gonna be fully blurred. He's telling him to stop. Oh, bit of racing. Hyundai N. Honestly, the N cars have been amazing.
This is going off.
Holy fudge. Why is there someone on the rally course?
Because they wanted to try it.
Hey, very nice. I would drive around like that too if I had doors like that, to be fair. Okay, maybe not playing that nonsense. Is this some kind of school prom thing? Oh no, it is.
Oh God.
Oh my God. I didn't even go to mine.
How did they?
Oh dear. Yeah, you guys need to move and let the... What in the f...
Does it work?
I don't think so. This is boat! Wait, he's got his roof down and it's pissing it down.
You might be a bit hot.
No. If you go fast enough, you won't get rained on. It won't land on your head. It just goes this way. So he's fine. If he goes fast enough, no problem. I've not tried it because I don't like convertibles. They're genuinely horrendous. Oh no. Holy f... The train passed and absolutely nothing happened. Incredible. No worries whatsoever. You can see there's nothing there.
Oh God.
Oh, why is it chrome? This is literally GTA. Oh, come on.
It is actually.
What the f... It's so funny. The first time I went to LA, I realized how close GTA actually looks to it. Oh, and he's up. It's Saints Row, man.
He should have went on it.
He should be flying. Oh, that was beautiful. I was always gonna hit something, but no, just being chased by. What? Did he give up? Why did he? Please stop. Please just give up. Just get out. Just get out. You've made a mistake. Stop driving. I hate when people keep doing. Stop. Stop and look. Oh, you.
It's curtains, son.
It's stuck now. Oh my! Stop. What are you doing? Why are people? Okay, now you. There you go. Stop. Get out. Have a look. I probably should assess the situation. I thought they were speeding. The clip just got sped up.
I thought he was walking around in circles. He is.
Do a bit more maneuvering. There you go. That's so. Oh my. Oh. He's made it worse.
He's gonna drive through the wire now, isn't he?
You've done an absolute cock of a job there, mate. Oh, I saw this. It's like.
Oh yes.
It's like thieves or something. They were trying to steal it. It's pretty bad actually in London. Like these moped people, they steal mopeds and then it's pretty mental.
I thought they were trying to smash up the big guy. I was all for it.
They are, but like it's mental that they did that. Like they're thieves in London. It's pretty terrifying actually. Oh god, the music. You know this is gonna be good. That's a turn lane. Where are you going? Hello? Okay, I guess it's. No. Sir? Help.
He's going to PetSmart, my man. No, he's not.
No.
Oh,
because he's an idiot. He's going to Pet Idiots next door. Near miss. Drives up. And then still cooks it up. You need to be careful when you got that adrenaline. Just chill out. Oh, for God's sake, what are you doing? Okay, we can't show that bit. Guys, it's kind of painful how much I'm having to cut from this video. These videos are getting bad. What the...
We're running with the door open. I'm having a joke.
Were they trying to do that TikTok thing or something? Oh my. No, they just walked into the door. Idiots and cars. Let's see. Did we survive the test, YouTube? Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you see this one. If you don't, well, it's because YouTube thought this was a naughty video. Smash like, subscribe, but until next time, peace.
Goodbye.